Welcome back to the channel. So let me show you this beautiful trade that was caught this morning, very early in the morning. So this is the trade based on this checklist you are seeing here. So the checklist is so simple and currently very straightforward, so make sure you follow along. So this is option 2, that we have no raids in 4 hours, so we shift to 1 hour and check liquidity raid or week off and shift to 5 minutes, wait for double close in our direction and take entry. As you can see here, that is exactly what has happened. Raid, no close, then price gives a very beautiful entry. As you can see, we have 2 double close in our direction, and then now you can target. So this trade has gone for a 1 to 5, which is so nice. It has moved for more than 1 to 5, 5 risk to reward, though the strategy recommends that you take 1 to 4 here, as you can see. So this is how the trade has gone. The trade was so beautiful and it has moved very fast. So the trade I'm talking about, still be patient with the bar replay. So the trade I'm talking about is taken, so I'm not telling you from rumors. It is taken and it is something that was there. So this is how it played. As you can see, very straightforward. After giving the entry, it lagged a little bit. So this is the guy that called the trade, by the way. So this is where the trade is currently. You can see goes for nearly 1 to 5. The strategy recommends 1 to 4. This is where the market is currently. Now this is how the trade started. Shuzei, shout out to you. You are the one who called this when I was still about to go to the charts. I saw this message, but it was too late to take it, so he gave the entry. As you can see, this is liquidation, and then here waiting 5 minutes double close for entry, and then this is where we had 2 double close entry, and then that was the trade. So this is when he had taken his profit for, this is 1 to 2 R not yet taken, and then eventually it was taken where, somewhere here. Yeah, this is when it was taken for full TP. UJ hit TP 1 to 4 is to reward. Very beautiful trade. Shout out to Shuzei, sorry if I butchered your name, sorry. So that is is showing probably another trade. So guys, if you want, you can join here and learn for free. Everybody here is an expert because the strategy is so simple and straightforward and doesn't require you to think a lot. So join the group. So as you can see, this was a very beautiful sell. As you can see, very straightforward, no marking, you just check by the eyes. Possible sells on euro GBP, just marking using the eyes, nothing serious. And then this is the sell. This was the entry point somewhere here, and then this is now the dropping. So that is how it works. So this is another trade that I'm also looking for. I'm just about to shoot a video on this on GBP USD. So this is a trade that I'm currently looking at my phone as I'm recording this video. So join here and take trades with us, learn from us also, but only if you are serious. We don't need lazy people. We have them enough, so we don't need lazy people. Just join if you are serious and also willing to put in the work like these guys are putting in the work. So join here and you'll be corrected. As you can see, people are correcting each other here without my input while I'm recording the video. So let's break down how this trade materialized. So let's clear out everything. So we go to daily time frame. What do we check on the daily time frame? The daily time frame is selling, and therefore we would only target 1 to 4. That is all we look for in the daily time frame. And then we go to 4 hours. This was the time the trade was taken. So this is the time that the trade was taken. So this was the time that the trade was taken. So therefore there was no liquidation of any of this low. So we shift to 1 hour and be observing the market. So what do we observe? We can see here that this is where the trade started playing out. This is where the trade started playing out. As you can see, we have already 2 candles closed in our direction. We have the backing of 4 hours. Everything is very clean. So if this low goes, that would be a very good liquidation point, and therefore just a minute, if this goes, this 1 hour zone goes, 1 hour liquidation point, this would be a very good option to buy. So you shift to 5 minutes and be waiting. For every 1 hour you just shift to, you just mark it low or high, and then you relax, you wait for it to come and liquidate. So as you can see, market build the liquidity, and then it started now coming back to liquidate that particular liquidity. As you can see, it was very aggressive fetching for liquidity. Then the good thing about it, it even gave entry here, premature entry for people who like hopping into trade very fast, and then immediately all of them were raided. So join, boys. You can see the way we are correcting each other. It's free. If you don't like free things, then also you inbox me with your price so that I can see how I can help you. So immediately that double close was achieved, we had nothing but buys. So you just enter on execution or on a small pullback, and then just know that if this is liquidated, it's okay, you can go again. Now this trade was supposed to just target 1 to 4 because it's a counter trade, and therefore I'm expecting sales to start soon. So this should have gone for a 1 to 4 maximum, but 1 to 3 trade was equally very good. So that is the trade and how it played out. So as you can see, this would have been a very nice trade if I took it, but since one of us took it, there's no problem. That is how we win together. So currently the trade that I'm looking into is this Euro USD. As you can see, after taking the highs, it is now tanking because we are supposed to be selling, not buying. So let's see. Now this is the trade that I'm waiting for, that is now trying to misbehave here and leave us alone. So I'm waiting for it to pull back here, and then I'll enter and then target all these lows here. I can target this low here for at least a 1 to 4 risk to reward. I don't know if it will pull back. The momentum is so heavy on the upside. So again, I'm also in this trade, this gold buy. I entered here, so I'm expecting it to come and take me for at least a 1 to 4 risk to reward. All these things are shared in the group, so I just don't like the way it is efficient, but I don't have any problem. If I'm liquidated, I will enter here again. So that is how we trade. That is how we trade here. If this low goes, let me mark it liquidation. Liquidation. If this liquidation happens, then I will enter again, because this market is so efficient. I will enter again and look to take the trade. So if you are serious, you can join. If you have any problem, you still new to the if you're still new to the game, this is the course outline. Use it to your advantage and make sure that you learn from it too. This is the course outline. Use YouTube, Baby Pips, and any other platform to know the basics, and then once you know the basics, join the group and you will learn from this. If you want to pay me to be holding your hand, inbox me with your price. I don't have a price.